Hi guys, and welcome back to Lark's Workshop. Today we're just going to talk about my Worklight. Now, a subscriber, T3 Synchro Caravelle GL, asked me about my Worklight. So I bought this about 4 months ago from Busfest. So I was just going to have a little chat about my Worklight and how it compares to some other stuff really that I still use and used to use. So I'll go over on the bench and let's have a look. Well, here's the information leaflet I was given at Busfest. The main things are that it's 10 watt, it's LEDs. How many lumens is it? 1000 lumens it says. It lasts runtime 7 hours, 120 degree beam angles, beam range 50 meters. It's bright. It's got a 7 volt, 4.4 amp hour lithium ion battery. Takes about 3 hours to charge, and it's got a few modes, and it says the colour temperature is 6000K, and that's the website if you want to have a look yourself. I did buy this myself. I am not sponsored by these people or anything, I just liked it and I bought it because my other one was knackered. Right, let's go through what other stuff we've got. Right, it comes in this box, so it's only ickle. You can tell the size of my hands. I've got big hands, but there we go. Comes with a little charger lead which goes into a USB charger, a couple of instructions and some packaging, but we don't care about that. This is the lamp, so you've got the base, nice strong magnet, goes on there, and we've got a nice flexible arm. So this unscrews. This is the lamp. There's no wires in any of this or anything. There's also some strong magnets on the back. Can you see them? There, 2 strong magnets, and it's quite strong. They're a bit mucky, those magnets, where I've been using them, but it's got, when you turn it on, see I've been using it, it's only got 2 left. And it's got that's high, low. Then we've got some flashing, and I think, is it an SOS or something, or was that the flashing? That's the flashing. The previous one's SOS. That's the modes. Probably never ever use those other modes, but hey, and it is bright. I don't know if I can show you how bright it is. I'll be back. Right, it's gone dark. So this is just the lamp. It's pretty dark in here otherwise. I don't want to blind you, but it is pretty bright really. I mean, it is bright. Right, I have got on really well with this. I really like it. I like the fact that you can stick that under a wheel arch. It will stick on, obviously it's magnetic, so it'll go on steel even with some quite hefty coats of under seal and stuff on it, so you can stick it up on there under wheel arches. I would say that of course it's a strong magnet. I wouldn't want to be putting it on paintwork or nice paintwork because it does have little bits of swarf and bits and bobs on it where I've been using it. Maybe put some tape over it or something protective if you were going to use it on paintwork. It's got charging input there, and also you've got an output, so it's a little USB output, so you can use it as a little power bank if you want as well. One bugbear I've got, which isn't a bad thing, I don't like it, but it doesn't detract from the actual torch itself or the light, is the fact that you've got to screw it on. Oh, got the magnet caught. With me cack-handedness, which is fine, but it would be nice if you could, instead of fiddling, you could just go click, you know, which is maybe an improvement, but it has got 2 points to mount on. It's got that back one and the bottom one, so you can mount it at a different angle, sideways or waffling on now, like that. But there, I mean, things I used to use and it's replaced is I used to use this one. This one is now dead. It was okay, but it's got a magnet on the back, but not brilliant light, and it's long and chunky. I'm sure loads of people still use it. There's some lots more modern ones now. This is old mind, so it's done well. Other things I use is this, just a generic LED base one. But again, that one, no matter where you put it, it always seems to be in your eyes. I don't know if anybody else finds that with that sort of thing. Then we got the old 500 watt halogen, which is hotter than the sun and brighter than the sun too. Got a place, especially in my workshop, because it's flipping cold in here. But if you're working under a car and it's near you, it's flipping off. And then we've got the old school lamp. I mean, this is an enclosed one. I used to have one with a mesh and a normal filament bulb in it, and if you were welding, if you had sparks touch the bulb, it would just blow up, and it's rubbish. But still got a use, mine, still got a use. But yeah, so if you are in the market for your new torch, I'd look at this. I would have a look at the website and see what you think. This one, I think, was a show special. I think it was, I think it was £45 at the show, which I thought was quite a lot at the time, because I'm a tight ass cheapskate, but I would recommend it now. It's just good and chunky, and yeah, I really like it. So, in conclusion, I would recommend this. I don't know if they send abroad or not. Again, you'll have to look at their website. I'll bring it up again, GloForce.com. Well guys, that's it. Just a quick review on this, and I hope it's some use of you. Again, I'm not sponsored by these or anything, I just bought one and I like it, so I'd recommend it. If you want to see any other videos, please subscribe. We've got our Instagram channel, Larks_workshop. I put bits and bobs on there when I can. Sometimes I go mad, sometimes I don't put much on there. Same as my videos really. So yeah, please give us a thumbs up and ask questions away. Like this review was brought on by someone asking me a question about it. So it's brilliant, it's two-way. So I'll see you in the next video. Cheers then!